everyone, it's Andrew. So this is going to be a video for My Invisalign Journey for days 65 through 75, which covers the past 10 days for tray 7 for the aligner, and then switching over to tray 8 for my new aligner. The other thing I want to go over in this video was I got into the habit of cleaning my aligners with a mixture of warm water combined with 3% hydrogen peroxide. So I want to show you that in this video. Before we start though, if you can just hit the like and subscribe button, that'd be awesome. As far as background, kind of like the past 10 days, I'll say that not much has changed as far as like the day-to-day aspect of having the aligners. There's not really any pain or discomfort. The one thing I'd say is that my teeth, at least for this go around for the past 10 days, the front teeth are kind of sliding a little bit forwards, and then the back, like over the bottom one's a little bit more, so it's like hitting the front edge of the bottom aligner. Beyond that, I don't really notice any difference as far as the alignment or anything like that. The rest of it's really just the normal day-to-day aspect of it at this point. The one thing I did get into the habit of doing at the evening time period is when I take out the aligners for eating for dinner time, what I'll do is throw it into a mixture of warm water combined with 3% hydrogen peroxide to clean it. And what I am finding is that the odor or kind of like slight malodorous aspect of the aligner is a little bit better with that. Additionally, the discoloration or cloudiness that the aligners get typically after 10 days is much better with that. And so it's something cheap, easy to do. You can get hydrogen peroxide easily at any store. And then you can do this easier, and it's like on a regular basis, as well as it's something I think is cheaper than the cleaning crystals that you have to purchase through Invisalign. And so what I'll do is set up the camera right now and just show you exactly how I'm doing it. It hasn't really caused any damage to the aligner. They kind of seem no issue at all, so that's why I want to show you that. So give me 1 second. Okay, so here's my next set of aligners. So I've got 8, 9, and 10 coming up. We'll put those aside for now. And then I'll show you exactly what you'll need. So in general, what I've been doing is getting just a general bowl like this, and I'll put in just enough warm water into it to kind of essentially cover the aligner. And then I'll pop them out. And this is what they look like at this point. So that's the one, and I throw it like that. And then the other one, we'll throw in like that. I'll make sure that they're essentially covered a little bit. Sorry. And then this is just 3% hydrogen peroxide. You can get it anywhere. And then you just pour essentially like a third of a cup, I'd say, into this. And then that's all you have to do, and just let it sit. And what you'll find is the hydrogen peroxide will act as both a deodorant or like a deodorizer as far as kind of preventing the smell or malodor that you might get on a regular basis, as well as it'll clean it up and make it a little bit clearer. So I'll let it sit while I'm eating dinner, and then I'll basically, usually like half hour or 40 minutes or so, and then I'll take them out at the end. What I'll do is I'll just leave these in here for now, but that's all you have to do. And then what we'll do now is show you the next set of aligners, which is tray 8. So I'm on to tray 8. So this is what they look like right out of the package. So that's kind of the bottom portion of it. This is my bottom, and then this is the top one, and then this is kind of the inside of it. So what I'll do is I'll throw these in. We'll see kind of how they feel compared to the most recent aligner. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll show you what my teeth look like currently. And then we'll throw these aligners in. So this is the bottom one, which, as far as feel, I feel a little tightness around here. And these are definitely tight along the back of my front teeth. So it's like kind of along here, along the back side. But this is what they look like, Aiden. So that's everything I have for this week or 10 days. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. I highly recommend the hydrogen peroxide combination. It seems to be working very, very well. and I'll keep kind of posting videos as I go through my Invisalign journey. Thanks for watching, and have a good evening, and stay safe with COVID.